Adjustment. When entering the adjustment mode, the general view of all the adjustable parameters is displayed on the screen. Select one of the view types to see the required parameters only. The values and scales for the required parameters will be displayed on the screen. In order to change the view, press F1 Change View. For example, to see only front axle parameters, select Front Axle. Select all parameters to see data on toe, camber, caster for the front axle displayed on the screen simultaneously, or select camber to see only camber on the screen. Under the parameter name, there are three values: minimum, optimum, and maximum. The letter L means that the parameter is for the left wheel. The letter R stands for the right wheel. The parameter value is displayed below. It's highlighted in green if the value is within the tolerance range. It's highlighted in red if it's beyond the tolerance range. If there are no standards for a parameter, the value is shown in black. For camber and caster, the difference between the right and left wheels is also displayed. Another mode to mention is the 2D mode. It displays all parameters for the front and rear axle without displaying the chassis in 3D. Switching between the front and rear axle is carried out by pressing F2, Change Parameters. Sometimes it's necessary to raise the vehicle to make its wheels rotate free. In this case, press F3, Suspend Wheels, to make adjustments. Press F2, Next, and raise the car. Press F2, Next once again. The software switches to the adjustment mode. The indicator at the top of the screen shows that you are in the Suspended Wheels mode. To exit this mode, lower the car and press F3, Exit Suspended Wheels mode, and return the vehicle to the original position. Adjustment in the Suspended Wheels mode is approximate, therefore it is compulsory to repeat measurements to specify values. After finishing adjustments, it is required to repeat measurements. Save measurements as After Alignment.